Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to be teaching you more about crystals. Yes, crystals and natural energy stones, they are the keys to a better lifestyle. Yes, but physically, emotionally, they can influence our unstable energy. So in today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to cleanse and activate your crystals. Stay tuned.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.
First, start by pouring salt into a bowl, as salts are also crystals. This bracelet consists of agate, palm agate, jasper, and diamond. So you're going to be placing that in the bowl of salt. These are gold quartz. Oh my god, if you know, you'd know that gold quartz are a big deal. I love them so much. So you add them in the salt. Now onto this waist bead. It was custom made for me. This is clear quartz, and then selenite, moonstone. The other one, I can't remember what she called it. She just added it for me. Then wow, this is citrine, like one of the most powerful stones. It symbolizes the sun. And these are tourmaline, moonstone, and then she added my name, which is royal diamond. And then my favorite Russian word, Потрясающий. It means awesome. To me, crystals are the purest way of drawing positive energy. Now I'm going to be adding the waist bead and the salt. I had to transfer it because of space, and then I placed it close to the window. That black cross is agate. Placing your crystals under direct sunlight helps to charge them. Damn, this is the purest epitome of beauty. Leave them in the bowl salt for 24 hours or more depending on how you're led. Then take them off and see what you want it to do for you according to its magical powers. So this will be the end of this video. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe if you haven't, and turn on the notification bell for more videos. Now, what's your favorite stone and crystals among this one? Well, mine was the moonstone, and I also love the diamond and citrine. See you in my next video. Bye.